Hey, so you want to know how to actually use your YouTube videos to actually rank in the search engines without paying for YouTube traffic, right? I'm doing this video just for you. So if you don't know who I am, I'm Gio Gianta, and I am a marketer first. I specialize in traffic, and traffic is my specialty. And I also sell solo ads. And this strategy that I'm going to show you, it actually helps you to rank your videos and actually get tons of traffic. So you're going to want to watch this video till the end, right? So here's some of my stats on my YouTube channel. I got over 27,000 views in the past 28 days, and all my stats are going up. The views, the watch time, and the subscribers. And as you can see, my channel is pretty much taking off. Here's my stats right there, and I just wanted to show you that it is possible, and how you actually get traffic without using paid advertising with YouTube is when you start creating content, and then you rank your videos in a specific way, so that way it's keyword rich, so that way it's found in the search engines, and you get huge volumes of uh, traffic that go to your videos. As you can see, some of my videos are over 3,000 views in the videos, and these are fairly new videos. Um, this video was uploaded January 2nd. Today is, well, that was exactly a month ago, right? That already has over 3,000 views, and it's ranking in the top of Google. So what happens when your videos start ranking? If you type in top solo ad vendors or top solo ad providers, you're going to see my name pop up, and a lot of my videos are going to pop up in the top of the search engine. So if you want to rank your videos in YouTube and actually be able to get traffic, you're going to want to take this strategy very seriously, because it's really going to help you if you're on a budget or you're trying to actually build a list without spending tons of money. And here's my strategy, and I highly suggest you doing the same strategy. So when you're getting leads on YouTube, they actually need a place to go. They need to be able to get onto your email list. And when they get onto your email list, they come over and they get onto your email list right here. And then you have subscribers. I have over 15,000 subscribers right now as we speak. And my here's my lead flow. It's over 5,700 leads in a month. And the last 30 days, I had over 3,000 leads, and it continues to grow, every single day. And the strategy that I use to do that is I use my email list as the hub to everything else that I do. So imagine your email list as like the hub to everything else. So let's say all these other sources of traffic shut down, and you have just your email list left. You still have an asset because you built up an email list, and you have people from YouTube that are finding your videos in the search engines, and they're going over, they're putting their name and their email in your capture page in the description of your videos and getting onto your email list. When they get onto your email list, that allows you to actually email market to them because they gave you permission to actually build a relationship with them. So you're getting free leads from YouTube and Google, and you're getting those people that are coming onto your list saying that they want more information about whatever you're offering them, and then they get onto your email list. And then when you send out your email, you're going to actually send out your YouTube videos inside your email marketing broadcast. A broadcast is a one-time email that goes out into your entire list, so the people can actually see your videos. And what happens is those videos start to rank because you're getting traffic to those videos, and it helps them to rank in the YouTube search engine. And YouTube loves whenever people are actually watching and they're clicking on your videos. You can actually send your videos out through your email. Then the people on your email also go to your Facebook uh, your Facebook group, so that way you could build a relationship with them there as well. Your group is going to be like the place where you give the training at, where you actually help people to learn about marketing, and you actually have solo ad traffic that's running in the background. So that's how you get the most out of your solo ad traffic. Now I sell solo ad traffic, and the goal with the solo ad traffic is to be able to build a relationship with your subscribers. So when they see you on video, that builds instant rapport. You make sales from your email list. You're getting traffic from YouTube. You're sending your videos to your email traffic, which is making them build a relationship with you, and it's giving you sales, right? So that's how that process works. And then your email list is that hub to everything, but you need to have quality solo ad traffic, so that way you know that the people on your list are real. They're going to open your emails and you're going to get sales and conversions, right? So this is basically the traffic that I offer. And when you go and you click on the link below this video, I'm going to actually help you to get traffic. So you're going to be using uh, YouTube, Facebook, and your email list in order to build your business online. So that's how it's going to work. And my goal is to make sure that you get high quality traffic that's targeted to the offers that you're promoting. And you want to be able to have a landing page and a sales copy that really converts. And most importantly, you want to make sure that the traffic that you're getting is real and is quality, and you have to know who you're buying from. That's very important. And not all solo ad vendors are created equally, right? Some solo ad vendors just sell clicks, and other people that are marketers sell traffic. And I'm a marketer who sells traffic, and there's a very, very big difference between a solo ad vendor and a marketer who sells traffic. And I am a marketer who sells traffic. And my goal is basically to help you build a business online with paid and free methods of traffic. So, here's how I get my traffic, right? So, my email list is in all different kinds of sources of traffic, including Facebook, YouTube, Google, and Bing PPC, banner ads, Warrior Plus solo ads, and CPA marketing. So if you have a mix of traffic go into your list, then you could filter out the people that are not really good, and you could have a list of high quality people on your list that you actually build a relationship with, and they continue to buy from you over and over again. And you utilize your email list to be able to push your other content and get views on your other content, right? And so when you book a traffic package with me, I'm going to help you to be able to get traffic. I'm going to be able to help you set up and manage your funnels and your offers if you choose to. And I'm going to give you the highest converting pages that allow my clients to have as high as an 85% opt-in rate. Now my highest is an 88% opt-in rate at the time of this video. And I want you to understand how to actually track your leads and your conversion rate, because a lot of people that come to me and they buy traffic, they're not tracking any other stats. It's very, very important when you buy any kind of traffic to be able to track your stats. And I will help you to build a list of high quality people who actually want to be on your list and want to know about what you have to offer. And I want to have the most engaged people that are on your list, right? So I sell traffic, and I am a solo ads, expert. And so when you get a traffic package from me, step one is to select your package. And I have packages as low as 50 cents a click. The more traffic you get, the cheaper it is. Then I review your campaign to make sure that you get a high conversion rate, and I also help you with those other strategies as well, such as YouTube. And when you're getting YouTube traffic, by the way, and you start getting views, YouTube will automatically push your content out automatically, so you won't need to actually create any kind of ads because YouTube pushes it out. Then step three is what I do is I launch your campaign in 3 days or less. So whenever you book a traffic package with me, you have the option to do a call, which I will help you to optimize your campaign and get the best results possible. Here's some of my results right here. Here's some of the results that I've got for people, and these are people that they didn't actually work with me at first, and now they're working with me, and they have even better results. Like James, for example, he has an 84% opt-in rate. Then there's other ones on here as well who came to me. Like this is the highest so far. It's 88.9%, almost 89%, with 5 sales in the run off of 200 clicks. And so as you can see right here, um, I have people that are getting results, right? Here's an 85% opt-in rate right here, and these people are the ones that are working with me hands-on. So if you wanted to know how to build your list effectively, here's a 79% opt-in rate. And if you want to know how to build your list effectively, then you should book a traffic package with me, and we'll go through the steps. You will learn how to actually build and grow your list effectively. You pick a traffic package right here, and I help you with that process. You can also get 100% T1. 100% T1 is always going to be your best option, so you get the cleanest traffic in tier one, right? So here's some of the companies that I work with, some of the people that I've promoted their offer to. So anybody in these companies are people that I've actually been able to actually help, right? And you want to go down here and look at this part right here, which is questions that you may have. And so you want to read over this part right here. My guarantee to you is this is paid traffic, so I don't offer refunds, right? Because once you buy traffic, it's in progress. So I can't give you a refund, but what I can do is I can actually make sure that your campaign goes at the highest results that you could possibly get when you book that package with me. And if you have any issues with your order for any reason, I will actually compensate you in traffic, not in a refund, but in traffic, and make sure you get the results that you are looking for. If there's any issues with your traffic order. Now, if you have any questions, you can feel free to reach out in this box right here. You just leave a message and I'll be with you shortly. As soon as I get your email, I will respond to you as soon as I can, or somebody from my team will actually reach out to you, one of the two, right? So I do a lot of my interactions on Facebook. I do not sell on platforms as of now like Udemy. I prefer to actually talk to people before they book traffic from me so I could help them get results. So if that's something that you want to do, if you want to use these strategies that I told you in this video, then make sure you click on the link below this video and get started with me. You could book a traffic package, and then we could go from there. I could show you how to put this strategy into place so you're using solo ad traffic the most effective way, and actually getting YouTube and Facebook leads as well with your email list and your email marketing, so that way you're making sales, right? So yeah, make sure you click on the link below this video to order your traffic package. Also subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, and make sure you get into my free Facebook group as well. There's a link in the description for that also. All right, bye for now, and I'll talk to you soon.